Our next topic is adaptation. First of all, what are adaptations? Adaptation is any quality or attribute of an organism. That quality can be morphological, physiological, or behavioral that enables the organism to survive and reproduce in its habitat. Means any morphological, physiological, or behavioral quality of an organism that helps the organism to survive and reproduce in its habitat, that is called adaptation. Many adaptations have been evolved over the long course of evolution, and these adaptations, they are divided into three categories: morphological adaptations, physiological adaptations, and behavioral adaptations. Let us see few examples of morphological adaptations. First example is, in the absence of an external source of water, the kangaroo rat in North American desert, how does it adapt itself in the water scarcity? The kangaroo rat meets all its water requirement through the fat oxidation. Means the fat which is stored in the body, that gets oxidized, and oxidation of fat releases water as a byproduct, and this water is used by the kangaroo rat. Another adaptation is that the rat, it passes out concentrated urine so that minimum volume of water is used to remove. Second example is of desert plants. How do desert plants prevent the loss of water? They have thick cuticle over leaves. The stomata in the leaves, they are deeply seated to minimize the loss of water by transpiration. The desert plants, they have a special photosynthesis pathway, that is CAM. Carbon dioxide reduction takes place by CAM, that is crassulacean acid metabolism, which enables the stomata to remain closed during the daytime and open during night. Desert plants, they have a special anatomy called Cran's anatomy, and they show special photosynthesis pathway, that is CAM, crassulacean acid metabolism, where the stomata, they remain closed during the daytime and they are open at night. And short desert plants like Opuntia, they have no leaves at all, and the leaves present in them, they are reduced to spines. Spine is kante, and these spines seen on the Opuntia, these are the leaves, and the process of photosynthesis is performed by this flat stem, and this is how the loss of water is prevented. The next example is mammals from colder climates. They have shorter ears and shorter limbs to minimize the heat loss. अगर surface area कम होगा तो heat loss भी कम होगा, and this is known as Allen's rule. In polar sea aquatic animals like seal, they have thick layer of fat just below their skin, and this thick layer of fat acts as insulator and it reduces the loss of body heat. So these were the examples of morphological